So today we are going to start with Introduction to Performance Testing. Today we will be studying about what is performance testing and why performance testing is so important. So performance testing basically checks the application behavior under certain load. So we need to determine that what is that value of load that the application is able to withstand. How are we going to find that value? Well, we need to test the application under different set of load, different set of users, and then we need to see the behavior that how the application is behaving. So let me give you an example here. You must have checked your result a lot of times online. What happens when you are going to check the result? A lot of time people face this issue that the application is not loading properly. The people who are able to check their results early in the morning or late at the night, they are able to check it successfully, but those who will check it at a specific time when the number of users who are checking the result has increased, at that time the application does not load properly and it causes delays, and and everyone is really eager to check their results, but they are not able to check it because the application itself is not loading. So this is an example of load which the application is not able to withstand. At the normal load, when the load is something which the application is able to withstand, at that point of time, application behaves correctly. But at certain times when the number of users or the number of applicants, number of candidates who are accessing the application because the result has just been announced certainly increases. So this causes a lot of load on the application and it is not prepared for that. So that is when performance testing comes into picture. This shows that suppose 400 users which are accessing the application at the same time, the application crashes, shows that it has not been tested for these many users, or even if it has been tested, it has not been fixed so that the number of users that are increased are able to use that. So what should we do in these cases? We need to see for the application, as if we are the QA, then we need to ensure that it has been handled correctly. We need to raise the issues accordingly, and we need to make sure that these kind of situation don't arise. One more